How do we understand when what someone says is not what they mean? How do we know that our roommate is going to look for the Advil in the last place they saw it and not in the last place you put it? Both of these examples are parts of, but definitely not all of, something called social cognition, functions of the brain that social interaction is built upon, such as an understanding of sarcasm or an understanding that people can hold beliefs that aren't true. A related concept to social cognition is theory of mind, which involves your ability to infer and understand the thoughts, beliefs, and mental states of other people. The focus of the research I've been working on this summer is figuring out how scientists have been testing for theory of mind. What tests are they using? What factors are those tests measuring? How young are the participants in these studies? And other questions. Overwhelmingly, I've found that past research has been testing false belief in young children using a scale of correct or incorrect. They either have theory of mind or they don't. It's kind of reductive for such a complex concept. The most popular test is called the Sally Ann test. This test goes something like the following. Sally has a ball or a bottle of Advil. She puts the ball in the toy basket and leaves the room. Anne comes in and moves the ball into the closet. When Sally comes back, where does she look for the ball? This test has been used for decades, and it's still being used to this day. It's often done with dolls or puppets or on paper. The correct answer, by the way, is that Sally should look for the ball in the toy basket. She should look for the Advil in the last place she put it. Our goal this summer has been to develop a new, more modern task that accurately measures theory of mind in a more naturalistic format. I'm using Unity to create a 3D environment where participants will interact with avatars in pursuit of a goal. Successful achievement of that goal will require successful use or presence of social cognitive skills and a theory of mind. The things we've done so far is figured out what we want our task to contain, begun scripting the task, and begun creating a task to validate emotional recognition in the faces of the avatars we're using. Our next steps are putting the task together in a computerized format, and I'm very excited to see where it goes.